Hey there, it's Rafael Cintron here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the top 7 products to sell in the next couple of weeks and in the next couple of months here, September, October, and November, so you can get the best results for your Shopify store and start absolutely crushing it. Like one of my students, Charmaine here, who is hitting $20,000 per day on her Shopify store and scaling. This month, she'll probably hit around $300,000 or even more. So it's absolutely insane. You're gonna learn the products that it takes to do that, or some products that you can go and sell for your store. Let's go. And just a quick note, we are live for our 5-day live training for Shopify. I'm gonna be teaching you absolutely anything that you need to grow your Shopify store or start a new store and get results just like Charmaine. We are live in a private Facebook group. All you gotta do is click that first link down in the description or go to 5daystraining.com. We are already live. Today was product day. Tomorrow is all about ads and then about store and everything that you need to get results with your business. The first product up on this list, and I'm going to show you the AliExpress listings and the AliExpress products, even though I don't recommend using AliExpress to fulfill your products and actually ship those products to the customers. I'm going to show you the analytics, why I think these products will sell, products that I've sold before that are very similar to them, and just overall better presentation than I would just showing you a Shopify store. So the first one is these furniture sliders. And recently there was a product called a furniture mover. If you go here on AliExpress and we type in furniture mover tool or moving tool, there was a product, if you sort by orders, you will see the highest order product here. This particular one, 1,500, and there was a lot more. So furniture tool, let's see if that pops up. This particular product got about 10,000 sales across multiple listings. 1,000, 1,800, 500. A couple of months ago, it got a lot of sales and it started getting a lot of people interested in selling it. It got a little bit too saturated. Too many people sold it. This one is a new version of it and they're just little sliders. So that old product was an actual tool that you use to move your furniture, just like this one. I'm gonna show it here really quick. So you would put these little sliders on the bottom of your furniture. Let's say you're moving a sofa or something like that, and then you would move the furniture with the slider. This one, you just put them under the furniture and you can slide it everywhere that you go, and you can also leave the sliders under the sofa, under the chair, under whatever it is, and you can have them just basically be little sliders. They're also much cheaper, and the discrepancy here in orders versus reviews, 1,200 orders, usually you'll have around 300, 400 reviews on AliExpress unless somebody is actually drop shipping this product. In this case, yes, they are drop shipping it because it's only 3 reviews, or it's a new product that just popped up on the market. My product researcher actually found this one. I think it can do extremely well based on that old one that did well and just the potential and mass scale of this product. The next one up is this USB cable organizer, or just basically an organizer in general. What it is just this big long sheet of tape, and what you do is you actually cut it and you can organize absolutely everything in your home. I have a lot of cables. Obviously, I'm working at home all the time, everything all over the place. And this is a product that would solve that problem, having all the cables all over the place, and also just things disorganized in general. And this is a little product, pretty inexpensive, pretty cheap, that you can sell. You can cut it as much as you want and then go and make the organizing, or go and take the cables and organize them together with this product. Selling really well, almost 3,000 orders here. If we check the order volume here, it's selling about 70 per week. So this is a product that you can sell for around $20, $25, and then you can upsell to other products. So it's a good product that if you don't really know what to sell, or if you're just looking for a home product or a work at home product, a product that just solves a problem, this could be a great one. And also, again, the discrepancy in reviews. 2,900 orders to 135 reviews means that somebody is probably drop shipping this product. The third product up, I know I have a lot of people interested in hair care and beauty and wellness in general. This particular product already has 4,265 reviews. It is a hair massage comb. So when you actually massage your hair, when you comb your hair, for either men or women, it's more targeted towards women, obviously, because they have longer hair, but it also massages your scalp and it massages your head. So how it works, I'm gonna play the little video here. It's basically just a regular hairbrush, but the bristles inside actually massage your hair really well. The order volume is great, 4,200 orders, doing extremely well, and the price that you can get it for is also pretty good. So for example, the bristles here in the middle, they actually massage your head. A lot of head massagers, scalp massagers have been selling really well, and this one also is a hair brush. So you can go and sell it to people interested in, for example, hair brushing or hair brushing brands or brands for conditioner, shampoo. You can target women only and make sure to make it clear that it is both a hair brush and also massages you. So it's not just a hair brush that you can buy for $2 anywhere else. It's also a massager and a really good product to buy at that price point. The next one up is a newborn baby romper. Now that it's getting into winter and it's getting colder and colder here, there's one day cold, one day hot, and so on. This particular product has been selling really well across every single year. It also has really good reviews, so it is a great product to actually sell, really high quality one. And how it works is it is not copyrighted, not patented. It doesn't have any really big brands on it. It's just an animal romper. How it looks like this, just basically a baby. You can put in a little chicken or a little lion. I think this is a shark, a duck, a little panda. So it's really cute. It's a great product to sell. I know I have a lot of people that are interested in baby products, kids products, family products. This one, definitely a good one specifically for this season. So in the next couple of months and throughout 2021 up to around March or February, definitely a great one to sell. This is how it looks like. You can also dress them as a cow, although that one's not that popular. I assume the shark one, the lion, the tiger, those ones will be the most popular. And it's selling about 10 to 15 per day. If you have a baby store or a kids store, you can definitely scale this product up really, really well. I would target brands of baby specifically. For example, Bye Bye Baby, Honest Company, Fisher Price, also kids toy brands work really well, and other brands that are very similar to those. I will be making a Facebook ads targeting video very soon, so you can learn how to target your ads and your products to the right people. But for now, you can stick to those brands that I mentioned and the suggestions that Facebook gives you inside of the ads manager. The next one up is a windproof inverted umbrella. You might have seen this a couple of times, and now that it's getting more rainy season, colder season, this particular product is extremely useful for many reasons. You can check it here. Let's see the video. Made of fiberglass, really nice quality of the product so it doesn't break. Has really good reviews as well. This video is a little bit slow, but how it basically works is you can invert it inside so it doesn't break like traditional umbrellas. It also is basically windproof. You can keep the water inside of the umbrella. So traditional umbrellas, they're not foldable. All the water stays outside. It wets everywhere, specifically if you have a car. Like here, the water stays outside, more likely to wet the seat or wet anywhere that you go. You always need to put a little bag on the umbrella. This one, no, it keeps the water inside, and then you can just put the water outside when you go out. It also is reflective, so it has a light around it that you can, pretty much anybody can see you, or if you're walking around the street, a car can see you. So it's just a very useful product for people that are constantly going out. If you have a 9 to 5, you're going to that job every single day and it's raining, it's just very useful to put it. If you have a car, obviously I talk a lot about car accessories and how they're selling more and more because people are not flying, they're going on their cars. And if it's raining or if there's a storm or a little bad weather, then you can definitely use this product. Very useful and very big problem solver for people that are in this particular situation. Just a very quick note, I want to congratulate Hecken for winning our $0 to $315,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. That's right, a brand new case study that I did with my student Johnny Del Real. He scaled up from $0 to $315,000. We show you the ads and how exactly he did it, all the strategy that I took to get there, how he hired somebody to run his ads and take him to that level. If you want to win that case study, all you got to do is comment down below your country or your city, where you are watching us from, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. The next product up, product number 6, is Halloween decorations. I've talked about them a few times here on the channel, and people always ask me, how do you sell these seasonal products? These holiday products like Halloween, Christmas. The best way that I would recommend is you can either do a collection testing on Facebook. For example, you can go and put a couple of products in a Facebook ad or put a link to a collection. People would then go to a Halloween collection to see if the products that they want or which products from that collection they're actually going to pick. So I wouldn't recommend testing individual products, although this one is doing extremely well. 2,700 orders, 226 reviews. Probably somebody is drop shipping, and this is a little here decorations. One particular pumpkin decoration is doing really well. So the best way to test these is to send people to a collection of Halloween. Same thing happens with Christmas. You can get away with selling one Christmas product and scaling it up, but the best way to do it is to send them to a collection of Christmas products. That tends to do extremely well for a lot of my students. Also, what you can do is run Google ads for this product. Usually when people see these products, they think it's seasonal. They just go and run Facebook ads for it, not think about Google, but the actual search volume for products like this on Google starts to go up around the third week of September. So in 1 week from now, up to the last week of October. Obviously, it's Halloween. The same thing happens with Christmas. The search volume starts to increase. People are looking for these decorations. People that have a big home as well, they have more money. They're looking for these decorations on Google, and a lot of people don't take advantage of that. These people are looking on Google for these products, and you can sell them and you can run ads to them through Google Ads, which will definitely work just as well as Facebook, if not even better than Facebook ads. And now for the last product here that is working really well already, getting a lot of sales, and I think it's gonna sell even more in the coming months, and also the specific holiday that it's gonna sell extremely well. You can start preparing and scaling this product and then massively scaling it over there, is this couples bracelet. So how it works, I'm gonna show you the little video here. You can see it's a little earth, or it's a ball or an earth. It's shaped like an earth. And you basically put the two bracelets, and when you combine them, the earth combines. See how the bracelet is, just a very simple bracelet. And if you're selling anything jewelry, anything related like this, couple bracelets sell extremely well. Or anything that's for couples or for best friends, one-to-one, because you buy two of the product, not just one. Let's see if they show it more. Yeah, so here, you can see that it shows up together. Pop. It joins together like that. And obviously you can either, if you are a couple, if you have a wife or a girlfriend or anything like that, you can buy it for both of you. Also, if you want to gift it to a couple, you can definitely buy it for them. I think this product is going to scale really, really well in the couple of next months, just because it already has a really good amount of sales. My product researcher found it through a Facebook ad doing well already. And obviously now it's a little bit of a long time frame, but Valentine's Day is coming up pretty soon in a couple of months on February. So this product, I see that it's going to start scaling, doing really well. And then in Valentine's, just absolutely going to skyrocket. So it's a good time for you to actually take advantage of that trend and of the sales already, because it is getting constantly a lot of sales. If you sell jewelry or anything related to jewelry, definitely a good product to consider for you. It's also very high quality and strong. In the link in the description, you will find a video on the best shipping methods and best suppliers to use. Now that you know what products to sell, if you want to take these products to the next level and actually scale them up on your Shopify store, make sure to join our 5-day live training going on in the first link down in the description. If you're watching after the training, you can either join the new training coming up in 1 month or watch the replay. And if you want to know how to ship these products and not use AliExpress, don't use AliExpress to ship your products, what shipping methods, what suppliers should you use, make sure to click the video that's right there. No more AliExpress, top 3 shipping methods that you can use and the best suppliers to use to ship your products from China or from wherever you are in the world over to your customers in the US, Canada, Australia, and so on. Go and check it right now, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I will see you in the next video.